Alright, after all, since I am doing a complete rebuild, I did decide to remove my ignition system. That's just a couple of screws out of here. And then we'll also get rid of the engine brake right away too. So this is a 3/8 inch socket. Two bolts. And there's the engine brake. And whenever possible, I like to put the bolts or the screws back in the holes they came out of. Alright, one last thing here is I want to remove this breather valve here. And once again, I've got my gasket scraper, and I'm going to very carefully pry this up. It's just been pressed into the hole. There we go. And now I've got the breather out. And I've got the block cleaned up. And we'll get the gasket set on order, and we'll be back to put this back together. Alright, we've got the gasket set, and what I'll show you here is the gasket set is the Tecumseh 37613 and a letter A. 37613 and the letter A. The gasket set includes the crankcase gasket, head gasket, valve cover gasket, and the gaskets that go for the exhaust and intake ports. So also there's a small note that came with this gasket set. It said that the Loctite 242 must be applied to the flange or cover mounting screws after installation of this new flange or cover gasket. Tighten the screws to 115 to 120 inch-pounds. Well, so I did go out and I got some blue thread locker. This happens to be the Super Glue brand. Loctite also makes it. Other companies, Permatex makes it. So the blue thread locker.